Hello everyone. Recently I changed my phone, and when I install my old applications I found out that I'm not receiving any more emails from Gmail, and that was because the app is using some updated version where it separates the emails by updates and some other types of folders. To fix this, you basically need to deselect the updates folder. So to do that, you need to navigate to your Gmail app, open it, and on the top left corner where it says search email, you're gonna see those three lines. Press on the three lines and scroll down to the settings option. Once you open your settings, select your email account that you need to change the settings for, and on notifications select all, and then inbox categories, click on that and deselect updates. That's the updates folder, and now all your emails, new emails, are going to go to the default inbox, so you're gonna get the notifications for the new emails coming in. That's all. Thank you for watching.